All right, guys, salam and namaste. I'm back again with my another new video on something really serious. It has been seen that many people are not getting their desired results which they expect from going to the gym, or maybe extreme shredding, or maybe extreme fat loss, or maybe they want to make a really great physique. But guess what? We are still the world is surviving with the pandemic. COVID-19 is taking a life of so many people, and the gyms are closed. Everything is open, but the gyms are closed. So here, what many people they expect from their trainer is they want a training, they want a virtual training, or maybe they want an online training, and they want to they want same result what they were about to get it into the gym. Okay, now number one, I want to talk about some technical facts, some technical things in this video, as well as I want to talk about certain limitations in your home, uh, which actually holds you back by getting a same results what you were about to get into the gym. Number one, what do you think that with the help of with the help of a pair of a dumbbell or Swiss ball or a stepper, or maybe you have a resistance tube, do you think that you'll get a same result? You'll get a same intensity which you used to get it in the gym with the help of world class equipments? No, you can't do that. You don't have the ability to train your joint with the same muscle action what you used to train in the gyms. You are very much limited with the same amount of intensity. You can't create a same amount of intense workout at your workplace. Maybe you can sometime like manipulate the rest period. That's another factor of like shooting up the intensity. That's the most common factor any trainer on the earth they use. But over here the weight that matters, the machines as well as the free weight that matters, the bench matters, and all the set of equipments it matters, which actually help you get result with the help of nutrition. We're going to talk about the nutrition as well over here. Another thing, the second point is, what do you think that you're working out on your own, wherein the trainer is not with you, he's not standing on your head, he's not pushing you, and he's not watching your form, he's not watching your rip range, he's not keeping your rest period accountable. And uh, do you really think that you're gonna get same result by working out at home? No. See, if the trainer is loyal and he's very honest, and he dare to he dare to talk about certain facts on your face, that never mean that it's all trainer's fault, or trainer is giving you the same and the same and the same and the same like repetitive workout to you. He's very limited with his resources, with the kind of workout he gives. And what best result you can get is, you can do a little bit of fat loss. You can lose like 7-8 kgs at home, but not like you can't get a really extreme and a great physique. Now, let's talk about some technical factors over here. I want to talk about net. Net is something non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So this is actually something which you burn offset. I always use the word onset as well as offset. Offset means whatever calorie you burn in the daily day-to-day activity. Suppose you're taking care of your kid, or maybe you're cleaning your car, or maybe you're wiping the floor, or maybe you're climbing the steps. Whatever calorie you burn, those calories comes under the net. Done over here. Now those calories, when there is a quarantine or there is a lockdown, this net, the calorie burning through the net actually diminish. It depends upon you. If you be active, no problem, just be active and you can increase the net. But a lot of people initial days, the starting phase, like first lockdown, second lockdown, or maybe third lockdown, they are very active, and then boom, they are just sitting quiet, working out on the system, or maybe having a a good time on Netflix or things like that. Number two, TEF, the it is called thermic effect of the food. Now, there is a lot of chances you have observed about your eating habits over here is many times it happens that you want to control the portion of your plate, or maybe you want to control the calorie what you consume throughout the day, but it won't happen. It's because the restaurants are closed and you're just sitting at home, you don't have anything to do, and it happens that you eat more. That is what I mean to say. And sometimes, like many people are not eating like good proteinous diet, say protein, they say chicken and eggs, and because of the virus, and that actually brings down the thermic effect of the food. Now, after this, we call something coming here for us is thermic effect of physical activity. Now, this thermic effect of physical activity is the same. I many time I use a word epoch, right? So, thermic effect of physical activity is say something. I explain it in a layman language is the per hour calorie expenditure. Say the post exercise epoch is something, your oxygen consumption into the cellular level post exercise actually increases. That is called the epoch. It is including the thermic effect of physical activity. What happen is once you do work out and those that body part or the entire body is activated for coming say 48 hours, and in this 48 hours you'll be your body or your cell you'll be consuming more oxygen into the cellular level, and this actually helps you create a thermic effect of physical activity. This actually helps you burn more calories, say per hour, maybe while sleeping or maybe while doing some work or some sort of activity. Now this thermic effect of physical activity goes down because you're not able to challenge your physique, your muscle, your all the system, energy system, your cardiovascular system, cardiorespiratory system, or musculature system really well, because you have a very limited tools or apparatus at your home. This is a reason many people are not getting a great result working out at home, and they are sometimes feeling that their trainer is not up to the mark, or maybe it's a fault of the trainer or whatsoever it is. Now, add on from my side, there are like we vitamin D is pretty much common nowadays. That that if you're deficient with the vitamin D3, there is evidence that the person has a bad time issue with losing the weight or maybe losing the fat. So it vitamin D also have really if good really good effect on your hormonal system, on your testosterone, as well as in your sleep. Vitamin D also boosts the melatonin, which actually enhance your sleep. So over here altogether is they you don't have a you don't have an environment, you don't have a resource to get that body. Maybe you want to work hard, you are very much passionate, and you think that you have a very less time. You have so much of time at home. You can just eat, sleep, train, and repeat. But you can eat, you can sleep, but how will you train? So that was my point is I was waiting to shoot this video from past like one and a half month. I was not getting time. So these are certain factors, so please be positive. You achieve what you believe, so just give your best. Okay, especially those who stay in a cold country. Okay, over there these factors even more reduces, right? So please guys, stay positive, and this is a time to keep your immune system up, to keep your immune system strong by taking a healthy and balanced diet. Your diet must be having everything, so eat everything, and don't try to think and attempt a very ripped and extreme weight loss or extreme shredding program, because that will gonna harm your hormonal system. Then your sleep will get diminished, as well as your water intake will reduce, and then your immunity will reduce. And you know the importance of keeping the immune system up, or keeping immune system really strong. So guys, this was Akash from Akash Fitness. This is my take on today's topic, that why a lot of people are not getting result at their home. I don't say that a lot of people are not getting result. My client from Chandigarh, she's getting a great result. I'm telling you guys, she was just a month ago she got a pair of two dumbbells. Otherwise, she was just working out with the half bottle of Coke, filling water in that, and she was working out, and she lost like 7 or 8 kgs, and extreme, what you can say, fat loss. She has she's very healthy, and touch wood. So we are expecting certain result, but we need to address, or we need to talk about few things wherein we think that, why you're not getting results. Obviously, you feel really bad that you're putting a lot of effort on the diet as well as on with your exercise, but you're not getting results. So these are some technical factors from my side, so please consider that. I just don't want to be subjective to anyone, or don't want to point my finger on someone, but yeah, these was the factor. And yeah, thanks a lot guys, thanks for supporting us. It's Akash from Akash Fitness, A2 Pride, Peace and Muscle, over and out.